Meaning of Electra complex.
Electra complex.
Electra complex.
Electra complex.
Electra complex. The Electra complex is a psychoanalytic theory that describes a girl's sexual attraction to her father and resentment towards her mother. It is similar to the Oedipus complex, which applies to boys. The concept was introduced by Carl Jung and later developed by Sigmund Freud. According to the theory, unresolved Electra complexes can lead to long-term psychological issues, such as difficulty forming healthy relationships and low self-esteem. However, modern psychologists have largely moved away from this theory in favor of more evidence-based approaches to understanding human behavior and development.